Hello and welcome back. In the first part, we've imported the sample data set, and then now we will be, playing around with the data and using different visualizations. So let me start with the first visualization. This is stacked bar chart, and of course we will be going through the actual, type of visualization and the data which can be used here. So let me grab a field which is, so for example, a country field, and then sales field. So it will, see, it will display sales by countries. So if you see USA, Canada, France, Germany, Mexico, this is related to the, so we can add multiple views to that. We can change the visualization chart as well, type as well. So since this is just one dimension, it is just displaying a bar chart. We can always have a pie chart or a donut chart as well to display the values and related to that. Remember, this is showing sales by country. And if we want just to display raw tables, we can also display like this in the way. So um, let me go through each of the visuals, and then we can see how to how the just one dimension can be break we can visually display something like this. So if I see here, so this is just the one dimension. It will just show the you know one stack bar chart. For line chart, it's showing like this. For area chart, it's covering up the area. So go through the waterfall chart. It is displaying the buildup of the total revenue and total sales. The funnel chart gives an interesting part. It shows the topmost one as well as the bottom one and the percentage in relation to the topmost visual. Uh, the bubble chart, it's no use for this one currently. um, Pie chart I've already showed you. This is the tree map that shows the highest values and the area and related to the highest values. mm, as you know, this shows only one value, which is the card visual shows only one value, so it is showing just the total sales amount. And if we use the multi-row card, it is showing the breakup of the different things. We can always use table to display fields, and also multiple matrices as well. So that's pretty much it for the visualization and the data part. We can always have a look at it in respect to the format view. We can change data colors. As you can see, we can change the colors as well. We can have multiple um, you know records related to, we can change according to the situation. So for example, if we are changing like this, yeah, see, all the colors have been changed. We can have zoom slider where we can zoom out the values and relate it to some things that are not fitting in the values. So for example, Mexico is the least one. We have slided to 15 million, and it is showing the full complete value in related to that. Mm, Also, you can filter out XL, Y-axis and X-axis as well. We can have add or remove titles. We can add or remove a background as well. And if you see here, I've given a background here, so it is showing a background. I can remove the background as well. We can always give borders and shadows to that. Mm, yeah, that's pretty much it related to showing up the bar chart. And you see, this is also one important thing is about showing the data labels. So if you see here, if I do switch on the data label, this is showing the total values in the data label. We can always format it accordingly, and also format the display unit. So for example, this is displaying the complete value. We can always you know mm, display in thousands or millions or even billions and trillions. So that's pretty much it in regards to the displaying of the values. We'll continue everything in the next video. Thank you.